Hey guys, my name is Brianna and welcome back to my channel. This hair is from Logo Beauty on Amazon. It comes with 8 packs and in each pack is 18 locks. This color is OM3T3027. So it's an ombre color. These are their gypsy locks and it starts with black, then goes to a darker brown and then a lighter brown, and it's about 18 inches, so pretty true to length. The hair is also about $40 and comes with a crochet hook and hair jewelry. And I'm going to be crocheting the hair onto individual braids. I've already braided my hair and this is what the braids look like. I'm about halfway done my hair now and I want to show you what it's looking like. The hair is very easy to crochet. It's super light and soft, and actually it's so soft that I feel like it could easily unravel. So when I'm putting the locks through, I'm just careful not to unravel it too much because I don't want it to get frizzy or something like that. It's very easy to put my braids in the lock. I'm going to show you that now. So this is the braid I'm going to do next. I take the lock I'm going to use, which is this one, my crochet hook, and I insert the hook underneath the start of the braid. Then I hook on the lock like that and I pull it through. And these are already pre-looped, so pretty easy to open. Then I open up the loop with 1 or 2 fingers. I grab the lock and the braid through and pull to tighten it, like so. I'm pulling the braid in the lock and I have this little knot right there. So now I'm going to insert the crochet hook in the center of the lock. I'm starting down a couple inches from the lock and I'm just making my way up like so. Now I'm going to put the braid in the lock. So I normally start towards the end or center of the braid and just pull it through like so, and then I twist it. So I'm twisting it to tighten it a little and also to make sure that I have all of the braid in the lock and there's no braid pieces or pieces of my braid sticking out. Now I'm going to do that again. I'm finally done the hair. I want to say it took me 4 hours to crochet the hair, and I really like how it's looking. I didn't think I was gonna like it that much, but it's actually really cute. Let me show you. The hair is nice and full, but one thing is that, so it's ombre, but like some sections are longer than others. Like this one. This has this much hair. That's black. This lock only has this much hair that's black. So this and this much. Basically what I'm trying to say is that the ombre locks vary. Like they're not identical. So that makes the hair look more interesting in a way. Like over here, this side of the hair looks a little different than this side of the hair. You can see more of the black part of the locks, and over here some of the brown part of the locks has made its way into the section where the black part of the locks is. If that makes sense. Anyway, but yeah, I do like the hair, nice and full. Oh, and I have 4 packs of the hair left, which is enough to do the style again. So I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know any other type of videos you want to see from me, and also let me know what you think about this style, and thanks for watching.